Have you ever told a friend or family member about a dream or aspiration you have for your life, and they tell you it's not realistic? Realistic is a code word to keep you bound by what you see in front of you. Do you believe in your heart that your purpose is greater than what you're living? What's stopping you? Are you being realistic? Do you live being realistic because secretly you fear stepping out of your comfort zone? Do you find reasons to not go after your dreams because the world around you is not in a perfect and optimum state? Are you waiting for the world outside you to change? I'm about to give you a truth based on Kemetic science. Waiting on the world outside you to change is like looking in the mirror and expecting the reflection to smile. It's what the ancients meant when they said life is an illusion. The illusion isn't that the world isn't real. It's the belief you have no power over what's being reflected back to you as life. Life is only feedback as to your vibrational essence. When you know thyself, you will not wait for the reflection to change. You'll create a new reflection from within. You're powerful beyond belief.